All right, good morning, good morning. We're back. It's been 2 weeks since we filmed the normal video and I'm so happy to be back. I took this thing all the way to the Grand Canyon and let me just tell you guys, it worked perfectly. A little bit of ice, a little bit of snow, but it wasn't too bad. But we're actually headed over to a car show. So we just topped it off with oil last night, so we should be all good. We're gonna get a cold start video. It's like 40 degrees outside right now. I mean, if you look up close, you could see the road dirt. Look at that. That's like 1,500 miles no wash, surprisingly. It doesn't actually look too bad for going all the way to Arizona and back with no car wash. And it snowed while we were there, so it was pretty insane. All right, so we're gonna run through the car wash real quick and we're gonna rinse this thing down. I think we're gonna do the $2 rinse. You guys already know, we back at the car wash just because this thing. And we got open bays, which is always good news. All right, one sec. Boom. She clean. Jeez. She was so dirty, man. All right, let's get to a car show. Alright, so I'm assuming the car show's down this road. That's where the navigation is taking me, at least. I think car shows are so cool because like there's nothing related to cars at all, and then like you're just like casually driving, and then oh, like right here, there's a pretty nice Genesis. I mean, just randomly start seeing like modded cars, and you know you're getting close. You know you're getting close. So I think it's just straight through this intersection right here, and I don't know how busy it's gonna be. We might have to go to the overflow lot, which I saw there was right on the back side over here. But it's at this training facility. Oh, people. I see people in the road. What does that mean? I have no idea. All right, one sec. Let me put you down and then we'll see what this means. Man, there's so many people here, you guys. I don't even know where to park. So we're just gonna keep driving until we find something. Some nice stuff out here though. Jeez, I'm excited. Oh, I see it. Found a pretty awesome spot over there next to the Z. We'll head back over there in a second, go check it out. But saw some pretty insane stuff over here. Jesus. See a wide body Z over here. I gotta go look at it. Jeez, this thing is so clean. That wing is massive. It's like a dinner table. This Z right over here. Jeez. Pretty crazy. It's like an orange color. It's like the exact same color as my Genesis was back when I had it. Man, wide body Z just looks so good. Wow. Yada gang. Z. Jeez. The angle kit though. When you can see your entire side from the front. Yo, this is clean 240, man. You just don't see them that clean anymore. They're all drifted out. Man, this road is so long. I'm gonna walk down this whole thing. All right, one sec. I'm gonna find some good stuff and I'll bring you guys to it. The 350Z no wing. What do you guys think? Looks pretty interesting. It's like egg gang. It really looks like an egg with no wing. So that's what I had before. It had no mods. It was completely stock, but I'm enjoying the Z a lot more, which is fun. Pretty clean 240. Another Z, no wing. Pretty clean. Pretty insane camber on that one. I guess we'll walk around this corner here. This is a muscle car territory over here. Definitely all muscle cars back here. I've never actually driven a muscle car, so I don't know how they drive. I've always been interested though. Oh, we got something sneaking up on us. Okay. Here we go. Gonna fly the drone here soon. Should be pretty cool. Yeah, back on the last road, the coolest thing was probably the GTR over there. Jeez, the color on this thing's crazy. Widebody Z. I think if I was going to get a Lancer, it'd have to be this color. It's so crazy. Bag Tesla. Pretty crazy. 2 bag Teslas. 3 bag Teslas. Shoot. Wow. This has got to be the cleanest thing I've ever seen. You could like eat off of that. I keep thinking we're gonna walk up to the aisle my car's at, but it's like 2 or 3 aisles down. No. It's like 5 aisles down, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. Gotta be like 300 cars here, at least. Oh, yada. Didn't get to walk down this side. Accidentally skipped it. Gotta give every build, you know, equal time. You know, we gotta, you know, check out everything we got over here. 2 amazing Yadas. Yada gang. So cool. And the Skyline. Classic. Super clean Miata. Need mine that clean. Maybe someday. Alright guys, 240 or 300Z. I think, man, I'd rather have the 240. You know, going against everything Z, but the 240 just looks so good. Should we walk down this aisle? Okay. Oh, someone's flying their drone. It's gonna be us here in a second. There's an i8 and a GTR, it's pretty cool. And there's us. Yo, the purple accents on this Mustang look so cool. Purple. A lot of stuff going on over here, you guys. Oh, okay. I was trying to stay in the lot, but I guess we'll walk over to the road here. Double Z's. Is someone sleeping over here? Because we got Z's everywhere. Cheers. That was so loud. That thing is clean. What's really ironic and funny is that like this lot is full of cars. There's like 300 cars over here, but like the actual car show is actually around that corner over there. So we're gonna walk over there and see what's going on. The one car in specific I wanted to see, this NSX is so clean. Insane. All right, we finally made it. It's actually quite the walk. You guys, it's the cleanest hatchback I've ever seen. That's the one with the engine you could eat off of. What's going on over here? Alright guys, so the show's basically over. There's some people over here two-stepping right now, and Justin, the guy that runs the show, he's had to go over there and like pull the guy out of his car, basically ban him from ever coming back, because that is one of his main rules. Like he can host these shows for everybody and have 300-400 people come out, but as soon as people start acting crazy, he has to just shut it down. So basically, he's literally telling everyone to get in their car and leave. But I mean, the show basically ended. What time is it right now? It's 9:57, so the show ends technically in 3 minutes. So everyone should be leaving anyways. But I hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. It always turns out great. I mean, I couldn't believe how big this parking lot was when I actually got up there in the air. There's like 10 rows of cars, and especially like an hour ago, every single spot was full. Like you could not even park. So I got up there a little late, but it was cool that we got to, you know, get up and actually see, an idea of how many people were actually here. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I absolutely love coming to car shows and filming it for you. I actually am going to another one tomorrow, so definitely look out for that video. We're actually hopefully getting on the dyno. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. Go ahead and drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, I would really appreciate if you would do that. We just hit like 1,700 subscribers, which is insane because my goal was 1,000 by the end of quarantine, and we're already almost double that. So you guys are so awesome. I wouldn't do this if it wasn't for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.